Hello everyone, welcome to What's in It. So today we are going to talk about the Facebook updates, policies and protect against mass harassment attacks on public figure. So we are going to see how you can protect your Facebook from mass harassment or from hackings. So Facebook has launched their new feature. So we are going to see how anyone can enable the feature, the Facebook protect feature in a short. So as you can see, I am going to my Facebook profile and now I am going to click the account and setting and privacy, and after that you have to go to settings. After that here you can see security and logins, so enter there, and after that you can see check your important security settings. So press here, and as you can see they have opened a new feature, how to keep your account secure. Your Facebook password is okay, turn on two-factor authentication, turn on login alert. So they actually going to alert you when someone else going to log in from the place where you are not in. Choose a password that you don't use anyone else online. So you can change the password as well here, and if you don't want, then click next, and after that they are saying that you can set up via SMS or authentication app on more than devices. So you can also learn more or get started here, and after that you can press next, and after that you have to enable all of them. So here they actually send you the notification if anyone else try to log in from anywhere that is actually not you. So they will send you a Facebook notification, they will send you a messenger notification, and they will send you a mail notification actually, and after that is finished, you can next, and they will provide you a window that you are all set. Thank you for reviewing your security options. You can change these options at any time from your settings. So your password is okay, your two-factor authentication turn on, and turn on login. So review, so that is finished actually. So you see how you can actually turn on your information, protect your Facebook. Thank you so very much. Okay, so see you soon.